Hello again from Radius Bridge. Today I'll be going over some keyboard shortcuts that you should know to increase your productivity on Windows 10. So the first two kind of go hand in hand. One is Control C, which is copy, and the other one is Control V, which is paste. So let's check out what these both do. I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder here. Okay, so we have these TXT documents right here. You could use your keyboard and mouse to select these, right click, hit copy, then go in here and then click paste. Obviously I have nothing copied right now, but that's a few different steps. So let's go back and I'm going to go ahead and highlight all these and I'm going to hit Control C. Let's go ahead and copy these and then I can go back into the test 2 and I can hit Control V. And as you can see, these are pasted into that folder. So the next one we have is Control Z, and this is going to undo an action. So let's say we highlight all these, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the delete key. Now, let's say you accidentally did that and you've done nothing else. Now you can revert to the previous action by hitting Control Z. And as you can see, these come back and you have not deleted these. So another shortcut we have is Control X, and this is going to cut the selected item. Now, previously we copy and pasted these, but as you can see, these create two different copies of the same TXT file. But what if we didn't want that? So I'm going to go ahead and delete these, and I'm going to go back here. Now, I don't want these in this folder anymore. I want them in the test2 folder. So I'm going to go ahead and Control X. I'm going to go back into this, and I'm going to Control V. And then these paste these in there. However, when I go back, as you can see, these are no longer in this folder. So another one we have is Control A. I went and copied a bunch of these TXT files. Now, what I want to do is highlight all these and then let's say move them, copy and paste them somewhere, or cut them somewhere else. Typically, you would hold your mouse down and maybe highlight all these and go all the way down. But if there's a lot of files, it could get messy, and you could end up clicking off and deselecting all these files. So let's go back up here. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I'm in this folder, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click Control A. And as you can see, it copies all of these files, and this is probably the easiest way to select all files or folders without messing anything up. So another one we have is Shift Delete. Now, typically when you delete something, it's going to go into the recycling bin. As you can see, it filled up this recycling bin. We can go in here and see what it's deleted. Now, if you don't want to do that and you want to just permanently delete something, and be careful of this because you usually can't get this back without backups on your computer. So we can just select a cluster of text documents. I'm going to go ahead and hit Shift and then delete. So it's going to ask you if you want to permanently delete these 6 items. I'm going to go ahead and click yes. So if we go back to the recycling bin, obviously you can see that there's only the original 3 that I deleted. So that's all for this video. If you found this educational, feel free to subscribe, like, and share. It really helps us out. And check out the links in the description. Until next time, thank you very much.